it now supports full extension in mzone.sa. So how Helium can help me in many setup. For example, I search plastic word spark or groups. So Helium can help me. The page one product is 48 and the search value is this. And the 30-day revenue is this. A 30-day unit sold is this. An average BSR. What is the mean of BSR? Best seller rate. If the product is higher, BSR does not sell very well. If the product BSR is low, it sells very well. So the BSR 23,745.429. And average price is 64.18. Minimum 1.36 and maximum is 264.00. And average rating is 4.2, maximum is 2 and minimum 2 and maximum 5. At the top 10 product revenue over 5,000 under 75 revenue. We have opportunity to complete this product because we do low review, but not this is all is okay. We use some more analysis like X-ray. So what is the mean of X-ray? The X-ray means when we run X-ray, we saw which one sold very well in the market and which was not sold very well in the market. So now also Helium can help us in keyword research. For example, customer said this keyword, so serve us as search IQ score is 50. What is if a high search value IQ score is high, it's really well. And search volume is 50 and search volume is trend is 45%. This keyword is the trending. And sponsor is a competitive product is 1000. And CPR, Cerebro product CPR. What is the mean of CPR? Estimated number of units that needed to be sold in 8 days. From the search of this keyword header for the product to rank on the top half of the page one for this keyword. So what does this mean? If you use this keyword in your title, you need to add this search add product, sold add product, you will rank it in the top page. And title density. If the title density is low, you have opportunity to rank your product easily in the first page. So for example, what is the mean of title density? Title density means the top 10 product in the first page in the search keyword in their title. And match type, organic and M-zone recommended. M-zone recommended rank 45% and sponsoring in organic rank 7 to 30 days. So Helium 10 is really best tool for product research, keyword research, for listing optimization. Inshallah, we will hope to all this future for mzone.sa market like mzone.com and mzone.uae. So thank you very much.